Okay, children, in this last video, since I have finished this lesson and I'll be sending you its question answers also tomorrow along with the videos. Here I would like to tell you that your first book and Indigo is finished. In Indigo, there will be stanzas and one passage from the prose. From 5 chapters they have been taught. Whole book is finished. All the poems have been taught. So for your coming exam, you will get 2 stanzas from 2 poems and stanzas from the other 5 chapters. So that way you have to read Flamingo word to word, line to line. You cannot read only its summary. That is very necessary to go thoroughly. Second question is that you don't take English so lightly. To secure very good marks in English, more than 90%, it requires a lot of reading, lot of writing. But I feel that I am sending you the question answers and find that some of you are committing a lot of grammatical mistakes. Even you cannot copy in your notebooks what the questions I am sending to you. So that way I would like to check your notebooks thoroughly after the school, as and when the school opens. I would like to check every lesson and all the lessons in a proper way in your notebooks, because in board exams out of 20 marks 10 marks are kept aside for the notebooks. So all the lessons, all the poems, they must be written by you. And I am sending you all the questions of all chapters. Secondly, what I would like to tell you, that you send the answers only of one chapter at one time, not altogether 2, 3, 4 chapters. So I have told you in Flamingo first chapter, those who didn't send the answers of first chapter, they must send 12th A and V. And nowadays I am going to check the notebooks of class 11th A and V. So you send those who didn't send even the first chapter, the last lesson, its question answers, they must send those answers. And some of you didn't send even the first lesson at all, whereas some of others, they sent second and third lesson also. So for English, I would also like to know that the chapters which are very difficult for you, I would like to revise them, and when school opens, I'll teach you in the class almost all the chapters and both the books. But here the problem is that it will take how much time in opening the school, that is not certainty. Therefore you see my videos properly, and even if there is any doubt or confusion, you can ask me. I am explaining the things in both the languages, Hindi as well as English. And what is essential to learn English, that is read more and more, write more and more. You see, for you have 5 subjects, and a child, a boy or a girl of class 12th, at this stage minimum you must spend 12 hours out of 24 hours in your studies, because you have 5 subjects, and maximum 15 hours. Only then you can secure more than 90% marks. Otherwise it will be a big problem, because I have seen some of you are very poor in English, and those who are weak, actually they are also not making efforts. Those who are intelligent, they are making more efforts. So those who are weak students, they must also call me and tell me that which chapter or reading section, writing section, because grammar you don't have this year, where you need my help and how can I help you. Even you can come to school in 4 or 5 students can come, those who are living nearby, if they have a lot of problem in English. But what I feel that English is not that much difficult subject. So send your answers of first lesson Flamingo completely, and don't be in confusion that you can escape. When school opens, I would like to check all the lessons, all the poems of both the books, and you cannot escape. You will be in trouble if you don't write, don't do your work properly. That is my warning to you. Now, regarding my videos and the teaching, I would like to advise you that open them, read them, and after you see this lesson is over. Now I am only 2 lessons are left in this book. On the face of it, this Evans tries and O level. So only 2 lessons have been left. Otherwise, first book is completed. So here you have to prepare thoroughly, systematically. If there is any problem, you can tell me. Thank you.